All right, good morning everyone. Thanks for the support today on behalf of the Berbice Board Racing Association. Just like to say congratulations to all the racers and better luck to those who didn't win today. We have 18 boards, I understand, that were part of this competition. We are encouraging same. We'd also like to thank the sponsors, Ajay, for donating the medals. We also have some hampers on behalf of Mafias Group to encourage the board racers in this community to keep doing what we do. I'll now ask the winners, A3 to announce the winners in ranking of the best board on show. So, so, congratulations, sir.
Right.
Tom Clark. Yeah, big up. Tom Clark.
Mr. Paris.
And you have Mr. Uncle Paris, the big board man, the legacy. Bella, that sir. Bella. Well, I'm sure this thing ain't gonna fit, but let me try a thing. Oh, good. Yeah, congrats. No, not like dentist too. Some hand over.
We got Mikey.
The boss is there. The boss.
We got brother Sheldon. Yes, and we got Uncle Skipper. There you go.
Congratulations to all the winners. Right.
Yeah, we would like to thank this female to come out and support board racing, and we would like to other females who see this video to come out and support us. Let us see the love in board racing in the sports. One love, sister.
Yeah. One love. Big up.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yeah. 5 minutes or 6 hours. Hey, boss. Last man, are you a drag? Hey, I'm a drag. I'm a drag. Hey, nah. Five minutes. Right, Ajay, you ready?